Fraction is one of the most confusing math concepts for many kids, regardless of ability. But fractions are an important foundation in math because fractions, decimals, and percentages all connect together. They are everywhere in school and real life. So how do you help your child understand fractions without making them feel overwhelmed? Well, break the skill down into tiny layers. We learn better when things feel manageable. Help your child build one small skill at a time. Foster a positive learning experience. Go at your child's pace and capacity. Create a super simple and consistent pattern. Keep your language short and simple. Avoid long explanations. This especially helps children who are still developing language. Create a super simple pattern and repeat it to help your child process, understand, and remember it. Once your child clearly shows confidence with one small step, then slowly add another small layer. Then circle back and practice from the beginning again. So, let's look at how this works. Start with something your child already loves, like bananas, pizza, cookies, or using Play-Doh to make dinosaur or animal shapes. The goal is to make fractions feel fun, supported, and manageable instead of mentally overwhelming. Encourage your child often so they do not feel the subject is too difficult. Make it a fun family activity together. For example, get a pencil and paper ready. Then grab a banana and a plastic knife. First, ask, how many bananas do we have? When your child says 1, let them write the number down. If needed, gently help guide their hand. Then say, good job. Next, help your child place the knife around the middle of the banana and cut it. Now you ask, how many pieces do we have? If they say 2, move on to the writing part. If they seem confused, slowly count the pieces together. Repeat it a few times if needed to help them remember. Now comes the helpful part. Create a super simple and consistent pattern every single time. First, draw the fraction line. Second, count the total pieces. Always write the total number on the bottom. Ask your child to eat one piece, or you can eat one piece yourself. Then ask, how many pieces got eaten? When they say 1, write the 1 on the top. While writing the fraction, say it slowly out loud together. Say it, hear it, and do it. This helps build memory through multiple senses. When first introducing fractions, avoid using terms like numerator and denominator right away. Instead, use simple real-life language like total pieces and eaten pieces. This helps your child understand what the numbers actually mean before introducing more difficult math vocabulary. This approach makes it much easier for children to understand and recognize what the top and bottom numbers mean. Practice this several times using different objects until your child can do it confidently without confusion. Then slowly move on to the next layer.